Good morning, student. Welcome to my channel. This is my first video, and today I am going to tell you syllabus of Amravati University BSc first year chemistry subject. So, let's get start. In Amravati University, there is semester pattern, and in first year there is two semester 1 and semester 2. In both the semester there are 6 unit, यानी दोनों सेम में 6 यूनिट है। और 6 यूनिट कौन कौन से हैं, चलो वो देखते हैं। देखो, यूनिट 1 में है पीरियोडिक प्रॉपर्टीज़। पीरियोडिक प्रॉपर्टीज़ में क्या क्या आता है? एटॉमिक एंड आयनिक रेडियाई, टाइप्स ऑफ एटॉमिक रेडियाई, वैन डेर वाल्स रेडियस एंड आयनिक रेडियस, कोवेलेंट रेडियस, इनके सिर्फ डिफिनेशंस हैं। फिर पीरियोडिक ट्रेंड्स इन एटॉमिक एंड आयनिक रेडियाई, आयोनाइजेशन एनर्जी, इलेक्ट्रॉन affinity and electronegativity, definition and periodic trends, effects of ionization energy and electronegativity on different properties of elements, namely metallic and non-metallic characters, relatively reactivity, oxidizing and reducing properties, scales of electronegativity, Pauling scale, Mulliken scale, electronegativity and partial ionic characters of covalent bond, screening effect, screening constant and effect nuclear charge, Slater rules for calculating screening constant and their problems. ये सब है अपना यूनिट 1 में। यूनिट सेकंड है आयोनिक बॉन्ड, सॉरी यूनिट 1 में क्या है, बी पार्ट है आयोनिक बॉन्डिंग। Definition of ionic bond, types of cation, factors affecting ionic bond formation, energetic of ionic bond formation, ionization energy, electron affinity and lactic energy. Bond length equation to calculate lactic energy, bond Haber cycle to determine lactic energy, solvation and solvation energy, factors affecting solvation energy, determination of solvation energy, solubility of ionization solids, lactic energy and solvation energy. This is about only one unit. Now unit second, इसमें भी दो पार्ट है, ए पार्ट एंड बी पार्ट। ए में है एस ब्लॉक एलिमेंट एंड बी में है पी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट। एस ब्लॉक में है कंपैरेटिव स्टडी ऑफ फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड ग्रुप एलिमेंट विथ रेफरेंस टू इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन, आयोनाइजेशन एनर्जी, ऑक्सीजन स्टेट, रिएक्टिविटी एंड फ्लेम कलरेशन, डायगोनल रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन एल आई एंड एम जी। एस ब्लॉक में क्या करना है, सबके फर्स्ट और सेकेंड ग्रुप के सिर्फ कंपैरिजन की स्टडी करनी है। किसके बारे में करना है? विथ रेफरेंस टू देयर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन, आयोनाइजेशन एनर्जी, ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट एंड रिएक्टिविटी एंड फ्लेम कलरेशन। बी पार्ट में है पी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट, कंपैरेटिव स्टडी ऑफ 13, 14 एंड 15 ग्रुप elements with reference to electronic configuration, ionization energy and oxidation state, concepts of inner pair effect, diagonal relationship between Be and Al, structure of diamond and graphites, abnormal behavior of nitrogen, hydrides of boron preparation from BCl3 and NaBH4. 2. Properties, actions of heat, water, alkali and oxygen, structure and bonding in diborane, carbides, types of carbides and fluorines. Unit 3, three parts A, B and C. A part is electronic displacement, inductive effect, electromeric effect, resonance and hyperconjugation. इनके सबके definition and application. B part है reactive intermediates, carbocation, carbanion and free radicals, their generation, stability and reaction. C part is aliphatic hydrocarbon, alkanes. Method of formation, Woods reaction, Corey-House reaction, halogenation and aromatism. Second, alkenes. Method of formation with mechanism, dihydrohalogenation of alkyl halides, dehydration of alcohol, रिएक्शन में है इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक एंड फ्री रेडिकल एडिशन ऑफ HX एंड X2 with their mechanism. Alkynes, preparation from vicinal and germinal halides reaction, hydrogenation. Alkadines, classification 1,3-butadienes, preparation from cyclohexane, reaction addition of H2, Br2 and HBr. Unit 4 is aromatic hydrocarbon. Nomenclature and isomerism of aromatic compound, structure of benzene, calculus structure and molecular orbital structure, aromaticity and Huckel's rule, aromatic, anti-aromatic and non-aromatic system, mechanism of electrophilic, aromatic substitution, nitration, Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation, nuclear and side chain halogenation, Bitch reduction. D is orientation, effects of substitution group, activating and deactivating group, theory of reactivity and orientation of on the basis of inductive and resonance effect. Fifth is thermodynamics. It is all about some physical prop. Adiabatic and isothermal processes. Work done in adiabatic and isothermal processes. Evaluation of different expressions showing relationship between pressure, volume and temperature. First law of thermodynamics and its limitations. Needs of second. Carnot's Carnot heat engine. Derivation of expression of for work done and efficiency of Carnot's engine, statements of second law of thermodynamics, concepts of entropy, physical significance of entropy, derivations of expression for the entropy exchange for an ideal gas in terms of pressure, temperature and volume. Entropy change for an ideal gas for isothermal, isobaric and isochoric process. Entropy of fusion, sublimation, vaporization, transition and its calculation. Entropy change for reversible and irreversible process. Entropy change as a criteria for spontaneity and the numericals. Next is unit 6, that is gaseous state and phase rule. Gaseous state में है postulates of kinetic theory of gases, derivation of kinetic gas equation, RMS, average and most probable velocity and their relationship. Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution law of molecule velocity, means free path, collision number and collision diameter. Deviation of real gases from ideal gas behavior, Van der Waals equation of states and its derivation for real gas. Critical phenomena, Andrew experiment, isothermal of CO2, critical state, critical constant, PC, PV and TC in terms of Van der Waals constant A and B. Reduce equation of state and its derivation, law of corresponding state and their numericals. नेक्स्ट इज फिजिकल फेज रूल. ये फिजिकल का ही पार्ट है. स्टेटमेंट ऑफ फेज रूल, एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ फेज, नंबर ऑफ कंपोनेंट्स एंड डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम. एप्लीकेशन ऑफ फेज रूल टू वाटर एंड सल्फर सिस्टम. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट सेम यूनिट के 6 यूनिट. अब देखते हैं सेम यूनिट के BSc सेम 2 के यूनिट्स. इसमें भी 6 यूनिट आते हैं. फर्स्ट यूनिट ऑफ polarization, that is definition, polarizing power, polarizability, effect of polarization on nature of bond, Fuson rule of polarization and its application. B is covalent bonding, directional nature of covalent bond, hybridization, types of hybridization, or to explain geometry of NH4 plus ion, PCl5, SF6 and IF7. C is acid and bases, theory of solvent system and Lux fluid, concepts of acid and base, hard and soft acid and base, Pearson HSAB or SHAB principles with importance application. Unit 4 second, P block element, noble gases and non-aqueous solvent. P block में आता है comparative study of 16 and 17 group elements with reference to the electronic configuration, ionization energy and oxidation state. Oxidizing property of halogens with reference to oxidation potential. Interhalogen compound, structures and bonding, introduction to fluorocarbon. Noble gases, inertness of noble gas, compounds of noble gases, only structure and bonding in XCF2, XCF4, XCF6, XCO3 and XCO4. Non-aqueous solvent. Requirement of a good solvent. Water has a universal solvent. Physical property of solvents, namely liquid range, dielectric constant, dipole moment, heat of vaporization, and solubility behavior. Classification of solvents: acid-base precipitation, redox, solo, solvolysis, and complexation reaction in liquid ammonia. Merits and demerits of liquid ammonia as a solvent. Unit 3: Alkyl halides, aryl halides, and alcohol. Alkyl halides may have synthesis of vinyl chloride from acetylene and allyl chloride from propylene. Reaction of both in with aqueous and alcoholic KOH. Comparison of reactivity of vinylene and aryl chloride. Aryl halides may synthesis of chlorobenzenes from benzene, phenol, and benzene diazonium chloride. Synthesis of benzyl chloride from toluene and benzyl alcohol. Reaction of both with aqueous KOH, NH3, and sodium ethoxide. Comparison of reactivity of chlorobenzene and benzyl chloride, benzene intermediates mechanism. Alcohol: dihydric alcohol, ethylene glycol, preparation from ethylene, ethylene chloride, and ethylene oxide. Reaction with NaPCl5, CH3COOH, ZnCl2, and concentrated sulfuric acid, and dehydration with heat. Trihydric alcohol, glycerol, preparation of propylene, reaction with NaHCl, PCl5, and HNO3, and KHSO4. पिनाकोलन रीअरेंजमेंट और इसकी मैकेनिज्म भी. यूनिट 4: मेथड ऑफ फॉर्मेशन. फ्रॉम एनिलीन, फ्रॉम क्यूमिनी, एसिटिक कैरेक्टर, रिएक्शन ऑफ फिनॉल, कार्बोक्सिलेशन, फ्रीज rearrangement, Clenson rearrangement, and Reimer-Trimer reaction. Then ether, diethyl ether, preparation by vinylation synthesis and continuous etherification process, reaction with cold and hot HI. Epoxide, synthesis of ethylene oxide from ethylene and styrene oxide from styrene. Ring opening reaction of both catalyzed by acid and alkali. Unit 5th: Physical property and molecular structure. A part: electrical property, polar and nonpolar molecule, dipole moment, induced polarization and orientation polarization, measurement of dipole moment by temperature and refractive method. Fourth is application of dipole moment for the determination of molecular structure, that is percentage ionic character of covalent bonding, molecular geometry, cis trans isomer, ortho, meta, and para isomer of a distributed benzene. B part: magnetic property. Paramagnetic and diamagnetic substances, origin of paramagnetism, dimagnetism, ferromagnetism, and antiferromagnetism. Second is volume specific mass and molar susceptibility, relationship between molar magnetic susceptibility and magnetic moment, relationship between magnetic moment and number of unpaired electrons. Gouy-Balance method for determination of magnetic susceptibility. Application of magnetic moment in the determination of molecular structure and numericals. Unit 6, that is chemical kinetics. Explanation of terms like rate of reaction, order of reaction, and molecularity. Definition with one example of zero, first and second order reaction. Half-life period of a reaction. Derivations of rate of reaction for first and second order reaction with equal initial concentration and different initial concentration of a reaction. Characteristic of first and second order reaction, example of first and second order reaction, and their kinetic study with modified rate equation, that is the reactions decomposition of H2O2, reaction between K2S2O8 and Ki, hydrolysis of methyl acetate catalyzed by acid, saponification of ethyl acetate by NaOH, and inversion of cane sugar. Determination of order of reaction by integration, graphically, equifractional change, Wentz Hoffe differential method, and Ostwald isolation method. Effect of temperature on reaction rate, Arrhenius equation, activation energy, and its determination using Arrhenius equation numericals. This is all about the syllabus of BSc first year chemistry, that is same 1 and same 2. This is all about it. Thank you for watching. अगर आपको मेरी ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब भी करिए। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।